Connected, connected, connected. Outside on the parking lot, the same. Connected lighting and what have you. So the world of mobile connectivity, mobile broadband connectivity in different layers is already by itself a horizontal layer that links us all. And that makes it more intuitive, makes it more intelligent, and makes it more inclusive. This mobile network doesn't care who you are and where you are. What it cares about is how to optimize everything that it has within its power to make the mobile experience or the connectivity experience for you as unique as to anybody else who stands next to it and makes use of it as well, or not make use of it. That could also be your car, because your car is connected, the bus is connected, the light post in the evening is, right, the street light is connected. The traffic lights, the South Africa, the robots, you want to have a green line if you want to go from Sandton to, you know, downtown Joburg or anywhere, right? You want to have a green line. You don't want to have the red light on the robots. You want to have the green line on the robots. So this all needs to be connected. Your car needs to understand that it's part of traffic. So left and right and in front and behind are fellow travelers, cars, buses, people, pedestrians, and what have you, all linked and all embraced and all embarked on this digital journey that mobility provides for us. Watching television in the car. Your car becomes a tablet on wheels. The display for the driver or the display on the glove compartment for the co-driver or the passenger is filled with apps. The gauge or the speedometer that tells you anything about your motor and the motor management and engine stuff are apps, which you can change. You can use the flippers for acceleration, right? For shifting up and shifting down in gears. But your manual shift or the button on your gear shift that says you go from a comfortable ride, change your motor settings to a sporty or sportive ride is an app. The navigation system in the display of your car, the audio system that tells you whether the balance of the audio, a little more treble, the equalizer for sound, the boom box and what have you in your car is an app. And if you don't want to use the display in front of you, then you can use your phone. Your phone has a similar app that logs you onto the same system. It says, okay, Daddy, I cannot hear, you know, the noise of the radio in the back of the car very well. Well, you know, use your tablet and what have you. Use your phone or your smart device. A building can get an operating system, just like your smartphone has an operating system, iOS or Android. The building becomes like a smart device where all kinds of applications allows building managers, property managers, the jurisdictional person, or you as an owner of an apartment or a condo or in a shop, use applications to manage and control everything in your home, your living room, your bedroom, your bathroom, and what have you. This all are fused with connectivity layers where more cables do not cut it. So mobile, the 5th generation of mobile networks, the mobility part of it, the huge amount of different services that it can provide and it does provide towards the different systems that make use of it. Sensors, sniffers, cameras, your phone, your building, anything that can be and will be connected. The Internet of Things is a common principle as a foundation for intelligent city construction. I think Cisco calls the Internet of Things the Internet of Everything. But everything is for me, everything is still very specific. Yeah. I would say it's the Internet of anything and anyone.
I like that.
And 5G,
I'm feeling that.
5G makes that cableless easier to support. 5G is also an enabler for society. The mobile network is already there, but from the mobile network, it is still not very easy for a child in a remote area or in a desert, in an isolated community to retrieve homework, attend class, elderly people via the same connectivity layer to be checked up upon by general physicians and family doctors, although the mobile network is there. 5G allows us to add services in this mobile layer that's already there that doesn't just give a link to your mobile phone, but that allows an application on that phone to have children join class, to have teachers provide knowledge and homework assignments, to have medical specialists share information, just like you and I are in different time zones, location agnostic, device independent. But imagine you and I are two highly specialists in the world of medical, and our opinion is asked for, whatever our specialization is about. That's what I'm talking about. That is the value of mobility.
Remote surgery.
That is what the X generation or the Y generation or the new generation of mobile networks are coming from. So they are designed for this already. Earlier you said something like technology is, we talked about how technology is neutral, unbiased, and also by design. Yeah. I don't think necessarily the design is neutral. You gave an example of the F-35. If you look at the shape of an F-35, you could say it's designed by a guy.
Yeah.
Just by that. And I'm not even sure if that's true, to be honest, but by the shape of it and by the way it's been designed, you could say it's clearly designed by a man. Exactly. Because if it was a woman, it would be right, something like, or if it has a bit of bias in the design. So the design of things already could be a little biased, but it doesn't have the intention for it to have that bias. But it comes with, the settings, the cultural environment that it's been grown up in or that it comes out of, that's been applied in designs. But the next generation of mobile networks is designed to embrace more intuitively and to provide additional services to optimize connectivity for those in an intelligent way. So the usage of it becomes more important. It is digital ready, if you like, better than the previous versions of mobile networks that is connectivity ready. It's ready to connect. It's not ready to connect with a purpose. That's what the 5th generation and onwards and next generation of mobile networks are coming from. It is designed with a purpose. Connect to do yada, yada, yada.
So 5th generation will, in simpler terms, will make anything and everything of human and business and social engagement